Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to teleport to coordinates in Minecraft. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, go to edit my world, scroll down till you find cheats, then enable activate cheats. After that, go to settings, scroll down again till you find show coordinates. Go back to your game and you will see by doing these two steps you've already enabled your coordinates, and as you can see they are changing when I'm moving. So now all you need to do is to go to chat and type this comment /TP and enter the coordinates you want to teleport to. For example, I'll type 50, 100, 50. Then press send. This will automatically teleport me. As you can see, I've been teleported to the middle of the sea. I'm going to move just to show you that I'm on a different area or place to make sure I've been teleported. I'll try to do this one more time, and this time I will show you how to teleport certain player. For example, I'll type /TP Steve or the name of the player. And enter the coordinates, and as you can see it worked again. So that's it. That is how to teleport to coordinates in Minecraft. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.